Quick market update because tomorrow we have NFP. That's one of the most volatile news we can have every month. So this will be the first of the year, and gold is currently in a position that is very interesting. We finally left the two zones that were creating a range, very similar in amount of pips or the value of the range. And as mentioned in the previous videos, I had this area marked as a chase of liquidity for bulls to break and test. So as you can see, the reaction was very clear. This is the 2-hour time frame. So that's why it's very important to have good eyes and mark your charts, because this was a heavy reaction and also a very big rejection. So everyone could have profit from this move, even if you are not a scalper or a position trader. The idea is that currently markets closed earlier, or at least the stock of USA. So push to the downside at one point was interrupted by that. So this candle might be some bullish pressure by the retail traders or the rest of the world. So naturally the USA market will tend to not to push it. That will be a false assumption, but sometimes it's more natural that the volume in the USA session is higher. So for now, I can expect some range, at least in between these two. In between these two market prices, because at least we already retested the zone that created four tops. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and the 4 was the biggest rejection, but also it was not a clear breakout with candles above the zone. So that created a 4 bottom, a 4 top. And if we go to 4-hour or daily, we can see less action, but it's the same. At the end, it's rejecting that area. So again, we concluded that this will be a major zone to push to the upside with here a lot of liquidity hanging. So price retested, and for now I can expect the range, because tomorrow news will be the ones that give the price the liquidity needed to either go to the upside or to the downside. For now, there's not much news that can benefit the dollar, because economy is doing good, but also the external factors and all the noise that the future USA president is doing, and the comments of the Fed with the rates, blah blah blah, can trigger a possible cycle of, again, weak dollar. Okay, but also the price of gold, even though we keep breaking highs, it won't do it with such pressure as 2024, because the rates at one point are getting lower. So also the economy is reacting to that in a positive way. So not only check the NFP, also let's track the unemployment, because we are having tons of news where unemployment is doing good, it's going down, and also the openings are going up. So it means that the labor market is doing good, and that's one big part of the economy of the USA. So just consider marking your charts, because you need to have a notion of what price is doing and where it can go before any move. So you don't have to predict, you can just react by the simple lines. As you can see, I haven't changed this line since the start of the week, and price just rejected as if it was planned. So it's only the value of marking charts and knowing where price want to go. So have a good one, and tomorrow I'll be reviewing NFP during the event with the EAs that I dropped yesterday with the triangular arbitrage. So let's see if something holds or if there's value inside those EAs. Have a good one.